Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today I'm testing out a battery tester that our friends over at Kingbolen sent to us. Let's check it out and see if it's worth the price for 30 bucks. Buy it on Amazon, link down below. Grab yourself one of these. I think you're gonna like this. It's pretty cool. Figured we use my 1967 Pontiac 400 project car that I'm building to see if this is gonna work. Now this is an old car. We don't use it a lot. We work on it sparingly, but when we do, we know sometimes that battery does get a little low on us. Let's check this out. Over here's the battery. Let's get in close. Now, I know you could probably use a multimeter and hook it up to see what the voltage is on your battery, but that doesn't test the load capabilities of it and everything else. This cool little gadget does. Super easy to hook up. Red goes to your positive, black goes to your negative, but wait, you don't even have to hook it up right. You can have them backwards, and this little thing is smart enough to know the difference. Let's test it out. Let's go ahead and we're going to put the positive over here on the negative. We'll put the negative on the positive. Let's grab this. See? Look at that. It already knows it's not going to work. So you're going to have to flip it. That tells you it's on reverse. So switch it over. So we'll switch them. Now look. So first thing first, it's asking you, is it a 6 volt, 12 volt, or 24 volt? 12 volts flashing because it can read what it is. Hit the OK button. Next, it's asking you, what's your CCA? That's your cold cranking amps. Most batteries tell you right on the battery what that number is. Yep, right there we can see the CCA for this battery is 700. So we're going to type that 700 into our unit. So using the arrow keys, we're going to go ahead and punch this up to 700. Just let it roll. And how close can we get it? Oh, 705. One down, there's 700. Next, hit the green button, and it's doing its thing. So this is telling us that right now it can do 501 CCA, or that cold cranking amps. So it's normal. Let's see if we can test this on another vehicle and see if this changes. Let's check it out on my 2009 Pontiac G6 convertible. Now, on this car, you can see there's a big cover. That's pretty easy to take off. Yours might have one as well. A couple little tabs. This comes right off. Now there's our battery. And as we can see, it is supposed to have 600 cold cranking amps. Let's grab that tester. All right, we'll put that there. We know this here's our positive because it is red. And we know this is our negative. It's the black, and it turns on. So again, asking us 12 volts, we'll hit OK. What are our cold cranking amps? This one here is 600. So we'll bring it up to 6. Take it down one, we'll hit OK, and it's doing its job. Testing. Bam, 396. Now again, it's lower, but it's normal, so it's going to get the job done. If it was not, it would say poor over here, but if it was in top-notch shape, we'd have good over on this side. So both battery in the 67 Firebird and the 2009 both come in as normal, so we're good to go there. Cool little device to have for your toolbox. Help yourself out, help your neighbors, help the kids. It's a pretty cool little useful item, and you don't have to know your way around a multimeter. Easy to hook up, just keep hitting the buttons. All right, let's close this up. It worked on the old 67 Firebird, and it worked on the more modern 2009 Pontiac G6 we have. And for about 30 bucks, it's a pretty cool little product to have in your toolbox in case you want to see what that battery's doing. So there's a link down below if you want to get you one of these. Yes, it is an Amazon link. You will make me $1 or $2, or more like a nickel, or less than a nickel, possibly. But it is a cool product. I like it, and that's why I want to share it with you guys so you can have it for your toolbox as well. Quick and easy, idiot-proof. Anyone can use it. Grab yourself one of these for your toolbox. Until next time, guys, be good, and I'll see you on the next episode of Arrowhead Garage.